Good morning, my YouTube viewers. This is Crystal. In this particular video, we're going to be talking about scatter plots in R. And R has two scatter plots that you can create using its inbuilt functions. So we're going to be talking about both of those types of scatter plots. So the first is your bog standard scatter plot, which is a graph used to display the relationship between two numerical values. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a scatter plot in R. So our x variable becomes C brackets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's on your x-axis. And your y variable becomes C brackets 2, 4, 3, 6, 5. And that's on your y-axis. So we're going to create a vector of colors, 1 per point. So point colors become C brackets, red, blue, green, purple, orange. And then our point sizes become C brackets, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And so now we're going to actually create the scatter plot. It's plot brackets x comma y, PCH equals point sizes, that's different points. CEX equals 2.5, so that's increased point size. COL, that's your color, equals point colors, and that's multicolor points. XLab, that's your label on your x-axis, is x values. And YLab, that's your number on your y-axis, that's y values. And then the title is going to be scatter plot with large multicolor points. So we run it, and so here you see we have the x-axis with large multicolor points, and each dot is a different color. So you can see that that's what we have created. And it doesn't have to be multicolored, but I wanted it multicolored. So the next type of scatter plot we have is a sunflower plot. Sunflower plot is a specialized scatter plot that is used when many data points overlap. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a sunflower plot. So we're going to set the data. We're going to example data with overlapping points. So we're going to set seed, and then when you set seed, what that does is that makes sure that every time you run the program, it initializes to the same values. So x becomes round, brackets R norm, so that's a random normal distribution, brackets 200, that's 200 points, comma 1, and y becomes round, brackets R norm 200, comma 1. So R norm is a normal distribution and a random values in a normal distribution. And so your sunflower plot is using R's inbuilt function. So sunflower plot brackets x, comma y, comma color equals steel blue, SEG col equals orange, size equals 1.5, main equals sunflower plot example, that's your title. XLab, that's the label on your x-axis, is x values, and YLab is your label on your y-axis, and that's y values. So we run the program, and you can see this is your sunflower plot, and you can see this is a lot more complex than your regular scatter plot, and the reason why is because it has overlapping values. So that concludes the video that we have on scatter plots. The next video is going to be another visualization, and so I hope that you decide to watch it.